Today I've got this 5-pin Euro cylinder. This one is a AZBE. The only time I've seen one of these before was when I was on holiday in Tenerife, and I did a video of the door and it had one of these locks in it. And my mate Peter Lewis seen the lock and managed to find me one. So cheers for that, Peter. Obviously I didn't pick the lock on the door at the time, but I have picked this one. And I don't think the security pin's in there, but this puts up a good fight. So I want to pick it on camera now if I can. I already took the circlip off because I want to see what's inside there. Circlip's in the tray. I just showed it working. I'll hold that because obviously there's no circlip on it. I don't want to pull the core out with the key. Right, let's see if we can get into it. So I'm using an homemade tension tool and an hacksaw blade pick. Let me know if you've come across this lock and if you know where they're made. I ain't got a clue. I know it was in the door in Tenerife, which is obviously Spain, but that doesn't mean anything. Could be made anywhere in the world. We finally get it. So I've managed to pick it quite quick on camera, and I've managed to keep the core in place. So let's have a look what's inside it. Just get me pin and shoe. And let's have a look. Let's pull this core out. Does it want to come out? Let's hold it on there. It's a bit tight, that. Let's try it with this. Is this going to be a gutting disaster? It could well be one in the making. Let's just straighten that up a little bit. It might have been caught on the pin and shoe. Here it's coming. So that's the core. That's the pins. Right. Pin 1, tweezers. I'll just drop them into the tray now, then I'll just show you a close-up of the pins in the tray. If I can get this to turn itself around. I'm still no good at gutting locks. I'm all fingers and thumbs, me. And what we'll do is we'll just drop this out and have a quick look at these. The only trouble with doing that is obviously you don't know what order they're in. But straight away you can see they're all standard pins, which I thought they would be. Nevertheless though, it was still a decent lock to pick. So once again, thank you, Mr. Lewis. Like I say, if you want a lock, springs are flying around. If you want a lock and you can't locate one, check out Mr. Lewis. Peter Lewis, the Irish lock picker. He'll find you what you're looking for. So let me just bring this a bit closer and blow it up. So yeah, all standard pins in there, but nevertheless, still a decent little lock to pick. Anyway, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.